Hey guys, today we are reviewing this jump starter and inflator. And so this is something you're going to charge at home, put it in your car, take it with you on a camping trip or just a regular road trip in case you need a jump start or to inflate. You can inflate a air mattress for camping or your car's tire. So I like the size of it. It's got a nice carrying case, really durable quality. It's not too heavy. And just going to open it up and see what it looks like here. So it's got two sets of cables. One is for jump starting, one's for the air inflation. Comes with an instruction manual, obviously. It's got the different attachments for air. This is your charging cable. Uses a standard C-type USB charger. Like most of these, you're supposed to keep it charged every 6 months. To keep the battery fresh. So we've got our air compression attachment here and the jump start attachment here. So everything appears to be here. So here's our actual unit. It's got a handle for carrying. I like the weight of it. It's got the spot for the attachments here. So it's got USB. You can charge things with it with USB ports there. And here we've got our hookup for the air compressor. Just screw that in like that. And you can inflate a tire, air mattress, whatever. All right, so for the jump cables, it's got the socket here to attach this to. And on here, it says you can, something with less than an 8-liter engine, either gas or diesel, and you can jump start it here. I like the connectors. You're not going to accidentally touch metal to metal with how these are designed. It is important that you only use the charging cables that come with the unit to do the charging. And so this is a great accessory for anybody that has a car that doesn't want to wait for a tow truck if their tire's a little bit low or needs a jump start. So you can see the digital display. If you're doing the air compression, it's got different readouts for pressure. Use PSI here in where I live. It's got different settings. So hey, if I'm inflating a basketball, we're doing 8 PSI. Doing a car, 36, pretty standard. Motorcycle, bicycle tire, 60. You can set it up or down to where you want it to stop the pressure. My kids' bikes are somewhere like 40 PSI. So just set this down to 40. And now it will stop at 40 PSI, which is pretty nice. Good safety feature so you're not blowing out a tire or popping your child's basketball. All right, so it's got 1500 amps and a starting current, 3000 amp peak current. So it'll start large displacement gasoline or diesel engines. So we're going to demonstrate to you how to use the force start function if the vehicle battery is completely discharged. It has an LED emergency light, which is pretty cool. That's good if you're using it at night. You're not going to want to use it in water or get it excessively wet, of course, like most batteries. It's useful at night or in emergency situations for putting air in a tire, doing a jump start, even seeing in and around your vehicle if you're broken down at night, seeing under the hood, that sort of thing. So it's a really versatile tool.